Hey guys, and welcome to day 4 of treat week. Today I'm in my little, not breakfast, morning like pajama jumper for Christmas, and that's because today's treat is a breakfast one, and that is gingerbread pancakes. If you guys watched my healthy holiday breakfast from this year, we made eggnog pancakes, gingerbread granola, and peppermint donuts. So check that out. I will leave it down below. And today we're making gingerbread. My house smells so good because I just made a batch, and it's just like warm gingerbread pancakes. They're delicious and they're easy to make too. If you haven't entered the giveaway yet, make sure you do. I'll leave all the details for that down below. The big prize, of course, is the Ninja Master Prep Blender that you guys see me use in all my videos, and there's a bunch of other little stuff to go with it. So I'll leave that down below, as well as days 1, 2, and 3, where we made peppermint bark, cinnamon buns, and eggnog truffle. And lastly, don't forget to follow on Instagram because I'm having more giveaways that I don't want you guys to miss, and because I really am truly thankful for all your support this year, and you're just watching my videos and commenting and engaging with me and sending me your remakes, which is my favorite. So you don't want to miss the Instagram giveaways because it is my way of thanking you guys for everything you guys do for me. So to make our gingerbread pancakes, the first thing you're gonna need are eggs. Now, eggs are super good for you. They're rich in choline, which is amazing for your brain. They've got protein and healthy fats, super good for you. You can try this with flax eggs, though because I haven't, I can't tell you if it works for sure. Next up, I'm adding in black strap molasses. Now, it's important to look for black strap molasses as opposed to normal one, because black strap is actually the one that has all the health benefits. So it's got lots of minerals, lots of iron, and it's actually a good for you sweetener as long as you use black strap. I'm adding in a little bit of vanilla for flavor, and then onto the gingerbread spices. So cinnamon, which is good for blood sugar. We've got ginger, great for your digestion, and also clove. And clove is so underrated, but it actually has one of the highest antioxidants compared to anything else. 22 times more than blueberries, and actually 3 times more than turmeric. So whisk that together, and then I'm gonna be adding in some coconut flour. Coconut flour is high in fiber, it's high in protein, and it also, you don't need as much coconut flour as you would another flour. So it's also a great cost-effective baking and also recipe addition. I'm adding in some almond milk, but you can use whatever kind of plant-based milk that you have on hand, 2/3 cup of that, and then you're gonna fold it together. So the thing about coconut flour is that it's very absorptive. So if you're gonna substitute this flour for another one, you need to multiply it by 3. So whatever coconut flour measurement you have below, you're gonna multiply that by 3 by what any other flour you want to include, because like I said, coconut flour is very absorptive. So mix that together until it's nice and smooth, and then I'm gonna be adding in the active ingredients, so our baking soda and the baking powder. And the reason I'm doing this last is that if you stir it too much, you can over-activate the batter. So we wanna add it in last so that when it cooks, it's nice and fluffy and it hasn't been left for too long just sitting in the batter. I'm gonna cook each pancake on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes until the edges are set and you get bubbles. Flip them over, and then I drizzled mine with some melted coconut butter. Guys, I've been obsessed with coconut butter. It's great for your digestion and it really feels like frosting. You should microwave it for about 30 seconds and you can drizzle it on the top. Of course, you can do your classic maple syrup as well, or what would be really festive are some pomegranate seeds, which are also high in antioxidants, and they have like a nice burst and red color to them too. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. It is so delicious. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to come back for the last day, day 5. Guys, I've been uploading every day since Sunday. It's crazy. Come back tomorrow for day 5. This last healthy treat is super delicious, and it's a bit underrated, but it's a classic Christmas treat still. I hope you guys are all having a great day. Oh, and the question of the day, because as you guys know, the more you enter on each holiday treat video this week, the more entries. So today's question is going to be, how do you take your coffee in the morning, or whatever you drink? If you drink tea or water, or like, how do you take your morning beverage, or what is your morning beverage? Lately, I've been adding gingerbread spice into my coffee, and guys, it's quite delicious. So I would highly recommend trying that out. All right, guys, I hope you're all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.